going to draw a birthday cake.
Cake in Spanish is torta. Yes, Maya? Yes. Next,
We're going to draw the birthday cake. Make a line this. Next, you can use this. You can draw that. Next, you can draw a curve, and then we're going to, in the top, we're going to draw the cream. Wait.
Oopsie. Anyways,
We're going to draw cream. We're going to draw like this, like water. That's the creamy part. We're going to draw more. We're leaving white and it's going to be cream. We're going to draw.
I want red.
In the top. You have to make cream here.
Let me make the pea part. I with my cake.
We're going to draw like this creamy part. A lot of cream around. We're going to draw the plate.
I already drew it.
To draw the cake of the top of the cake, we're going to draw birthday candles. Ready? I'll draw. By the mind, this is in my cake last time.
Right.
This is 4 candles I made. Like that.
Oh wait, I just make the candle.
Okay. Wow, that's a big one. What? Do you make a line?
That's like sea candles. One's
Something wrong.
Sea. One, two, three, four.
Wow, we're going to make sprinkle. Let's make too many sprinkle stuff. Circles. And you can make flowers too in the cake.
I want to make a sign there.
No, that's in a table. Sprinkle a lot, and we draw flowers.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Okay.
4.
Yeah.
1, 2,
Sprinkles here too. A line who was very beautiful. And it's like a nice cake. And then those circles. And this cake is going to be rainbow.
Piggy.
Cute one, yeah. I love your cake. They're nice sprinkles. Okay, we found us. We'll put our pencils here. Next, we're going to paint it.
I want pink.
And we're red. I love the cake.
I can choose the other flowers.
Let's spell Maya. M A Y A. Okay. Let's spell Maya. Let's spell your name, Maya. Go.
Yay!
So happy birthday, Maya. Happy birthday here, Maya.
Thank you for watching us.